Hey lovelies, my name is Forbeth and welcome to my life. Today's video we're going to prepare this delicious snack called Mandazi. Very soft. Yes, this video is special for people who like soft Mandazi, but please make sure you hit that subscription button, like, and hit that notification bell for more videos. Now let's get into the video. So I have my 1 glass of milk, ginger water, I squeezed ginger, 1 egg, and 4 tablespoons of butter. As you can see, 4 tablespoons of butter. I'll also use the 6 tablespoons of sugar, then my 1 teaspoon of yeast, then a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, then 2 teaspoons of baking powder, all-purpose flour. I am using 1.5 cups for this video. So I'll put all the dry ingredients together. So once it's done, I'm going to use my hands. I'm not going then put my sugar, use my hands to make sure all the dry ingredients are well mixed. Then I get my butter. I'm going to make sure this butter is evenly distributed in the flour. Okay, this is it. Exactly. Everything is completed. I'm going to bring my 1 egg, then put in my ginger water and put in my milk. Actually, I want to make sure this dough is thick, but I'll first put a half milk so that I don't mess up my dough. I want it a bit not too soft, not too hard, but medium. So I have to be conscious with my milk, my liquid. So let's see if it's not enough. I'm going to add some. Yeah, I think I'll use the whole glass now. It is confirmed that it's still, this will be enough, I think. Yeah, so I'll complete everything, all my milk, 1 glass completed. So I think it will give me the thick, not medium, not soft, not too thick. Okay, so I make sure I work my dough out so everything can be mixed together. So once that is done, we shall see the next step. So guys, I want to give a very big shout out to those who subscribe to my videos. Thank you so much. Thank you. God bless you. And those who are watching, please support your girl. I need your support. Okay, your support keeps me moving, keeps me motivated. So please, if you want more videos of me cooking and making some different kinds of snacks, please make sure you subscribe, like, and you can comment, say hi to me. I'm that person who doesn't have friends, so if you're there, you can say hi to me and let me, let's talk, let's know each other. Okay, so make sure you subscribe. Don't leave this video without subscribing, please. I'm sure you've done it. Thank you. So this Mandazi is done. The dough is done. This is the right, the texture I want. So I'll rub some oil all over it, then leave it to rest. Actually, I'll leave it to rest for about an hour. Yeah, I'll put my polythene bag and cover it with a towel. It's been 1 hour now. My dough is done. It's been resting for an hour. Okay, so most people don't leave their dough to rest. That's why you don't get those splits and those beautiful looks. So you have to leave your dough to take time to rest. So you can see this now is all soft, not too soft, not too hard, just it looks so beautiful, guys. So if you want to make the same thing, make sure you follow the same ingredients. So let's cut our mandazi. Yeah, we're going to cut it. Then once it's done, we're going to dip it in our oil. Actually, my oil is getting ready, though I'm not showing you, but my oil is getting ready. It's already getting hot. So we cut. Guys, please motivate me, subscribe, support me, okay? So this is how I'm cutting my own. You can cut them in any shape you like. You can make them make any thickness, but if you make it too thick, it might not cook, you understand? So you have to be careful. This is my oil, perfectly hot. Make sure, actually my oil was too hot, but once I put my mandazi, I have to make sure I turn down the heat so everything can cook so well. Yeah, so guys, if you like those split mandazi, this is the option, the way you just have to leave them to cook one side. Let them take their time and make sure your heat is very low. Don't cook it on high heat because it will not cook. The inside will not cook. So just be patient, leave it to cook one side. Once one side is already cooked, then you turn the other side. Okay guys, so actually I saw many of you guys liked my mandazi video, my part 1. So this is part 2 of mandazi. So the other one was hard mandazi. It didn't have yeast. It didn't have yeast in it, and this one has yeast in it. Okay, so these are the soft ones. The other ones were a bit hard. For those who like hard mandazi, go and check out my video. I think I posted it last month. So if you like soft mandazi, this is the right video for you. Okay, so you can see my mandazis are very soft and beautiful. You guys cannot see, but I'll show you exactly what I mean. So I'm going to put my second round. But guys, make sure you support your sister, please. I saw many people when they watched the last video, my Mandazi video, but did not subscribe. Please support a sister here, please, please, please. You know guys, in this life, you think blessing someone doesn't mean you have to bless them with money, bless them with tangible things. No, you can bless me by subscribing. That actually means a lot to me. Please don't leave this video without blessing me. I beg, bless me now. Thank you guys, for those who subscribed. Thank you so much. And at the end of this video, I'm making a special tea for my subscribers. I'll give you some tea and mandazi. Okay, hold on, keep watching until the end of the video. Thank you so much. God bless you. I love you all. Please hit that notification bell so whenever I post, you guys are the first one to watch. So you see, this is my another round. You can see how beautifully these mandazi are coming out. Actually guys, I want to give you my if you make mandazi and you didn't get these beautiful splits, that means your baking powder was very less. Okay, that's why you don't get this beautiful. See how beautiful. And this is my tea for my subscribers. Please enjoy this tea with one heart, one love. Okay, see how my mandazi came out. See how soft that is, guys. Just imagine you're taking a bite. This is for my subscribers. Oh, just enjoy this from my heart. I love you all, and really God bless you. Please, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe.